Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Come See Here. In today's video, we will discover the Medicinal Garden Kit by Nicole Apelian, PhD, a true warrior of nature who overcame major health challenges through the power of medicinal herbs. Stay with us to discover how you too can transform your life with the help of nature. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more content. If you want to buy Nicole Apelian's Medicinal Garden Kit, the link is in the description of this video. Medicinal Garden Kit, developed by Nicole, contains seeds of 10 medicinal herbs: chicory, yarrow, California poppy, marshmallow, chamomile, evening primrose, lavender, echinacea, calendula, feverfew. The Nicole Kit offers a free guide that teaches you how to transform herbs into different types of medicines. Promoting self-sufficiency in healthcare is a detailed guide on how to transform them into herbal remedies. Nicole argues that having a medicinal garden is essential, especially in times of crisis. She emphasizes the importance of self-reliance and the security of having access to natural remedies regardless of external conditions. Nicole Apelian exemplifies how integrating ancestral knowledge with modern practices can offer sustainable and powerful solutions to contemporary health challenges. Your kit not only inspires, but also provides practical tools for specific people in a lifestyle more integrated with nature. Medicinal Garden Kit. It comes with a full 365-day money-back guarantee. But my guess is you'll never want a refund because those seeds and the 10 plants they create will end up saving you a lot more money in the long run than you're paying for them today. So, click the button below to purchase your Medicinal Garden Kit. Risk-free. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. To the next.